welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I've been wanting to do a video like forever and I've never gotten around to doing it. So this is it. This is the first video. So what can you expect from my channel? Basically, I'll be doing videos evolving around beauty, makeup and lifestyle, probably my lifestyle. But for today, I'll be doing a shawl tutorial just for you. There's gonna be two styles. Okay, so what I'm wearing today is actually a custom made shawl that I did for myself. It's in navy blue and it's 1.8 meters in length. The reason why I had it custom made is because for the longest time I couldn't find the type of shawl that I want, the kind of color or the length that I want. So this shawl gives me the coverage that I was looking for. So the two styles that I'll be doing is an everyday styles that I always use mainly. So I hope you like it. Stay tuned. So those were the two shawl styles that I always use on most days. I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I love doing it. In case you guys were wondering, this top that I have on is actually by Airy. It's a local Malaysian designer brand which I love. Okay, so I'll probably see you on my next video. Alright, if you do love this video as much as I did making it, do give it a thumbs up. Alright, bye bye, see you!